Hey guys, I'm just doing a little bit of a bonus training right now, and I wanted you to see just how easy it is to set up voicemails. One of the things that we're actually doing live right now is we've got 180 leads that came in through a lead magnet, and they have left us their emails, stuff like that. And so what we're doing is we're going to send out an email, we're going to send out a text message, and we're going to send out a voicemail. And so I just want to show you how easy it is to actually record a voicemail. So it's real simple. All you've got to do is just literally go into, if you have an iPhone, so the iPhone is real simple, is you can just go under and type in like voice memo and click on voice memo. And so we're gonna do this, be like, hey, it's Aaron from 𝒂𝒓𝒐𝒏. I just wanted to reach out real quickly. You grabbed one of our free guides, and I just want to see if we could jump on a quick call. You can give me a call back at 401-357-0700. I'm also just going to shoot you a quick text so you can have a link there, and if now's not a good time, I'll put a little like a booking link for you. Thanks so much. I appreciate it. Bye. All right, and so that's it. Like literally, I have this file, right? So literally, all I have to do here now is just shoot that. So there we go. Boom. Edit. There was Eaton 226. And just gonna click that button. So see what I did. You guys can't really see what I'm doing here, but what I did is I clicked the 3 dots. So there's 3 dots on my screen, and all I'm gonna do is share, and then I'm just gonna do my airdrop for myself. Again, if you guys takes a second for it to pick up on my my computer. Come on, airdrop. Even if not, then we'll just do it the old-fashioned way, and you can literally just send it to yourself through an email. Boom. Okay, so I just got my my email. We'll stop sharing that screen real quick, and I will grab that file. And so literally, it sends you this file. Now see how it says M4A? It's in the wrong file format, but that's fine. Watch what's gonna happen. So we're just gonna download this N4A, have that, and then all you gotta do is just M4A to MP3 or WAV. 𝒂𝒓𝒐𝒎 is one of the best, real easy. And you just literally just drag it in like that. Okay. And there you go. There's my file. This is going to be for the 𝒂𝒂𝒏. I just saw I have it named 𝒂𝒂𝒏, and this was reaching out. All right, so inside of here, this was we say cold outreach, but it really is not cold. This is people who opted into our free lead magnets and everything. And obviously we're gonna come in here, we'll fire out the email. So this would be the subject line. I'll let you come back in here a little bit later and you can change out the subject line. Let me just save that. The next thing is going to be obviously this voicemail. So I'm gonna shoot them that voicemail, and we'll literally click here, and I will just head over here and MP3, there it is. And there's my voicemail. Hey, it's Aaron from 𝒂𝒂𝒏. I just wanted to reach out real quickly. You grabbed one of our free guides, and I just want to see if we could jump on a quick call. So literally, so that's it. So I send them a voicemail. It's a ringless voicemail, so it's not going to actually ring their phone. And you know how many people that they don't just delete voicemails. Do you know what I mean? Like they don't just delete it. So obviously the next point after this is we want to go ahead and follow up with the text message. So in the text message, assuming that we have, their first name. So, hey Bill, it's Aaron from Webanly. You know, and type like people type, you know what I mean? Like people during text messages, you know how they type. So just left you a voicemail. Grab time convenient for you. Venient. Did I spell that right? I'm very bad at spelling for some reason. All right, there we go. Venient. I'm gonna just go to put, even though I have it, convenient for you. And then what you want to do is you want to put in your link. Now we don't have anything saved in here just yet, so that's not a problem. Just hit save. Make sure you have it. You can go and grab your, settings. Head over to your calendars, and then whichever calendar you're gonna have. So for me, I would have mine. This would be mine right here. This is that link right here, and so I'm just grabbing that link, and I can pop back into that campaign, this is called the cold lead outreach, and I'll literally just come back into that SMS message and just drop it just like that. Okay. These trigger links, what they allow you to do is literally to save stuff. So if I wanted to utilize trigger links, I can come over here and I can do Aaron's calendar. I'm just gonna put main calendar. So I have that. That's Aaron's main calendar. You pop your link in there. And so think about this as like Bitly. Okay, think about this like Bitly. It's gonna literally like track your links and see if they can actually do it. Does that make sense to you? And so for everybody, just hopefully that makes sense to you. What it also does, it allows you to actually set off triggers. So there's actually a super powerful things that can happen inside of here. So there's our cold reach out campaign. There's that little link. And if I wanted to, like I said, I could come over here and use the trigger link, Aaron's calendar. So that would be a trigger link. I'm gonna substitute it. I just want you to know that you can use either or. So if you're just brandy new and you don't really understand it all, then just do it this way first, okay? But later on, you're gonna see that you can actually set off other actions based upon if they're clicking this link or not. So I'm gonna leave it because I would consider myself a little bit more advanced. And so boom, that's it. So there it is. Hey, it's Aaron, and I spelled my name wrong. That's great. This is a really good thing for people to really like look at, So it's Aaron, just left you a voicemail, grab a time. Here's that link. Just left you a voicemail. So this is stuff that you'll have to test out yourself. As you can already see like this, I would definitely leave a space, but you're definitely gonna have to like test this stuff out. Whether or not like that's gonna work, or you have to actually say more. That link. This is where marketing comes involved, and so obviously you just send a voicemail. I would give it the appropriate time. I'm gonna go ahead and send you a text message, and so give it a 5-minute delay, and then bang, you sent the voicemail. Even if you want to put it like 10 minutes, it gives it that delay. Your email, the email doesn't really matter. Maybe just give it a couple of minutes, but you're firing off the email, then you're firing off the voicemail, and then literally you said in your voicemail that, you're going to send them a text message with it. I think I said it, or did I say I already sent it? Hold on a second. I don't remember.
Hey, it's Aaron from Webanly. I just wanted to reach out real quickly. You grabbed one of our free guides, and I just want to see if we could jump on a quick call. You can give me a call back at 401-357-0700. I'm also just going to shoot you a quick text.
Yeah, so I'm going to shoot you a quick text. So I did say that. And so I do it 10 minutes, and there it is later, just in case, they're most likely, just so you know, they're going to see the text first. So just keep that in mind about shooting random messages. I don't want to get into this during this little moment, but literally, you can literally come in here and be like, hey, just left you a voicemail. If you need that link, just, let me know, but I'm talking to like people, so just let me know here. I'll send it right over. If you need that link to my calendar, okay? And I'm gonna get real granular now. I'm ready. So this is all for the super overachievers. The overachievers, okay? The overachievers. So stick by, watch out, because this is gonna get complex. I wouldn't do this just to get started. I would wait till you guys know what you're doing and you've used the software before, but literally that's what's gonna go on here. And all I'm gonna do I'm gonna go super. So this is going to be ad trigger. This is going to be responded to cold SMS outreach. This is where it starts to get sophisticated, where these people think you're literally actually responding to them. Like they're going to think it's you. And so what happens? Okay, so inside of here, all this crazy shit can happen. And so customer replied. Okay, so if a customer replies, where? So if a customer replies, in a channel, replied to a campaign, all this crazy shit, which again, folks, learning this software, take it in bits and pieces because you're going to learn how really powerful it is. Okay. So they replied to campaign, which campaign? That campaign that we were screwing around with, which is cold reach outreach, right? So they replied to the cold reach outreach and, they replied where, right? They replied where. Like you could say like, oh, text me back yes, or text me back money, text me back all this different stuff. You can do all this crazy stuff, but I wouldn't get too fancy with it. Right now, all I want them to do is if anybody replies back to that SMS message, that's it. If anybody replies back, what am I going to do? Then I'm just going to go ahead and shoot them a message. Okay, so there's a couple of different ways that you can go about it. So you can literally just like bang, like send SMS message. There's also these like custom variables that you can actually do. The user, their phone. So there's like a custom user that like you could go put their custom phone in there. And then inside of here, you could be like, here is that link. And boom, underneath here, we have, where's my calendar? So this is my contact calendar. Oops. Let me just go grab my link. And again, this stuff, I'm just trying to show you that like this can get super sophisticated and very powerful. And the thing about it is there's always multiple ways to achieve things too. So just so that you know, but this is just like kind of a little bit of a fun little ninja hack for everybody to get you super excited about this really powerful software.